So this is the assessment. What I created a web AI application that leverages AI, computer vision, and also it's AI powered, and it allows users to go through some steps of and this is what we are currently using. These are some of the we are using real-time hand pose detection. It can detect your hand pose, like you're using media pipe. Also, for computer vision, we are using that is for computer vision validation. Like we have like 7 steps of like washing protocol. We are using object detection model, which is the YOLO, like for detecting maybe person, bottles. Also for voice feedback for immediate coaching, we also like integrated. I also integrated a voice feedback uh, and as well the AI coaching. I'm using Open Router. So Open Router allows us to use multiple models. We can use Cloud API. You can use OpenAI API. So for this in this context, we are using Cloud API. So and we are trying to like manage session tracking using Google Cloud Storage. So some of the features that we added are just you can work on the phone. We have the front end, which is the HTML file, which is deployed. It is deployed as a static file on Google Cloud Storage. We can see on this in this readme you see the link to the demo. Also the backend API. We have the backend API which was deployed on Cloud Run. On of course at the same on the same time, which is on GCP, that is Google Cloud Platform. So this was deployed on Cloud Run. So yeah, as well we have the AI coaching. Like it allows us to have a personalized feedback throughout the coaching. We also have the object detection. You can detect anything. Also, just like I said, the session storage. So you can find the demo link and also the backend API here. So this is the if you go through some of the files, this is the config. This is where the files are being saved. This is the config. We have the performance optimization config. We have the hand tracking config. We have the hand watching steps, all the steps for the hand watching. So we have the motion threshold. We have the voice feedback settings. We have the custom message, like feedback messages. We have the AI coaching. So in this particular part, I didn't push the API key. So I bought a $15 credit. So of course this was deployed on to the Google Cloud Storage. So yeah, this we have the object detection. This is me testing locally. We have the other endpoint for which has been deployed on Cloud Run. So we have some of the target objects. We have the scoring system. So and etc. So if you go to the HTML file, so this is the HTML file. So this is where we have our design UI, which contains our UI. We also have the app.js. This we are using vanilla JS. So this it's more like the brain of this more like the brain of our functionality. This just like the whole most of the functionality where we have the hand pulls. For example, we are where we are drawing our hand landmark connection. For example, this is the connections. This is the thumb. This is the index. This is the middle. This is the ring. This is the pinky, and that is the palm. So it allows us to. This is our vanilla JS where we have much all the logic for this application there. So yeah, this is our backend. This is our backend. In our backend, you notice we are using Fast API. The backend is just for us to have object detection. This is just for the object detection and AI coaching, and yeah, which we are loading our YOLO. So this is where we are, which it allows us to load our YOLO into the Fast API, so which allows us to detect any objects within the camera port. So yeah, we will go into like demoing. This is the whole application. If you want to start the application, we can let me try to cue this. Let me try to cue this. So if you want to start the application, we have if you want to start the application. So to start the application, you so we this is since we have two different okay, so this is our directory. So we can have Python 3, so server.py. So so this is where we have, so it tells us like, okay, we are starting new HTTPS server. So once if you come to this server.py, this is just like an HTTP server for just for testing locally. So and it allows it requires permission to use your video. It allows you to grant permission to use your video, or so this is it here. We can go on to training. Okay,
Welcome to hand
so
washing training.
it's
Please
going
show me
to
your
tell
hands
you.
and follow the on-screen
So
instructions.
we have it's a voice recording that comes first. So the voice recording, sorry, the voice feedback that comes first, that allows you to know what the instructions, or what the instructions, and what you should follow. It also like detect me as a person. It detects me as a person. It can also detect this bottle. You see it detects this what yeah, this bottle. So you can see it detect the bottle, and some of the this is the these are the hand watching steps. So let's just try like one or two. So you can see like the system, of course the system, we have some of uh, the the FPS for the system, like to detect some of to get the post detection, and also allows us to know if it is active or not. So it's then after that it goes to the next
Great.
stage.
I can
So
see your hands
it
clearly.
goes to the next stage, and from there until you finish the whole hand watching steps. So this is just a quick demo of how web AR works, and uh, especially integrating with AI, and also making it like seamless to um, it makes it seamless to like makes it seamless for end users. So you can go through this, and in the README you see the link you the link which has been deployed on Google Cloud Storage, but also which you can access it on your device, on your mobile phone. You can access it on anywhere. So it's you'll be able to like test personally. So this has been deployed on the HTML. It has been deployed on Google Cloud Storage as a static file. Of course, it's which works, and also the backend has also been deployed on Cloud Run. So yeah, we are using GCP instead of Azure function. So yeah, so I hope to see you in the next round, and I hope to make it to the next round. Thank you.